In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign up for a HoneyBook account. Whether you're a small business owner looking to streamline your client management or you're just curious about what HoneyBook has to offer, signing up is your first step into a world of possibilities designed for professionals like you. To begin, open up your preferred web browser and navigate to honeybook.com. This is the main website where you'll conduct all your future business management tasks, so go ahead and bookmark it if you plan on coming back often. On the homepage, you'll notice clearly marked buttons that say Get Started or Sign Up. Either will work, so choose one and give it a click. Once you do that, you'll be brought to the sign up page where you have two options. You can either manually enter your name, email, and a password, or you have the convenient option to sign up using your Google account. If you already use Google for Business, this is a quick and seamless way to integrate your existing tools with HoneyBook. Whatever option you choose, make sure your password is strong to keep your account secure. After entering your basic information, you'll be prompted to add some details about your business. HoneyBook asks for things like your business name and industry. While it might be tempting to skip through this part quickly, providing accurate information will help tailor the experience to fit your needs more precisely. For instance, certain features and tools might be better highlighted or easier to access when you've correctly specified your industry. Now, with your business details filled in, there's a bright button that says Create Account. Clicking this will finalize your information and officially create your new HoneyBook account. Congratulations, you've just taken a significant step in organizing and enhancing your business operations. HoneyBook might prompt you to perform additional tasks like verifying your email or setting up your profile further, but these steps can be addressed as you continue to explore. You now have the foundation in place to start managing projects, clients, and more through HoneyBook's comprehensive suite of tools. And there you have it, a straightforward guide to getting started with HoneyBook. Remember, while the sign-up process is quick and painless, the potential to transform your business operations with HoneyBook is substantial. Explore the platform and utilize its features to maximize the efficiency and quality of your client interactions. Thanks for joining me, and I hope you enjoy your journey with HoneyBook.